See this one. I be doing the same so yeah. It dey be so the same so. Yeah, so you see, you know nothing the same so.
What's our business with it? But when somebody tries to drag me, I don't complain because it's on my own good. Okay, bye bye.
If you carry somebody wife, come here, we go just catch you for video. You better not carry somebody wife or girlfriend come here. They will just catch you.
That place where I won't fall down. Why I open my ears, she remains more why I fall down for that.
What happened?
She save her for her phone. She will post her for TikTok.
Why you want to? Nobody should open your eyes. I sent a message.
Why you want post her? Have mercy on her, okay?
See your phone.
Have mercy on her.
See, let me tell you, this is nature park, where you enjoy yourself, you have a lot of fun, but never in your life carrying somebody's girlfriend, somebody's wife come here because a lot of people are here.